Keep or sell Kaizer Chiefs edition. Let's get into it. The first player we'll start with is Frosler. Here's my point with Frosler, bro. I don't want to lie. Frosler maintains his performance. And I feel like these young players literally need, like, I know we are literally just developing right now as Kaizer Chiefs. We are developing, we're trying to get new players, we're trying to boost up the team, momentum, and stuff like that. So I feel like these new players coming through, they need like an elderly player who can literally just guide them and who's also consistent on the field, because we all know Frosler has been with Chiefs and he's quite very, very, very good, I would advise. Yeah, Frosler is very good for my take. Frosler is very good and he plays good football, so I would keep Frosler. Let me not just even waste too much time about him. Shifaviro, I don't wanna lie, man. I was too hyped up with Ranga, man. I was too hyped up with Ranga. I feel like he didn't deliver, or maybe Kaizer Chiefs is not his team that he could literally show his strength on. So I don't wanna lie, I'll probably loan him or sell him, man, because I feel like Chiefs is not for him. So I'm also even that one, I wouldn't spend too much time on that one. So I don't want to lie. Shifaviro, sorry my boy, but I would sell you or loan you out. The next one, Yusuf Maart. Here's this one, bro. Yesterday they were playing, he played good. Here's this thing with Maart, bro. It was for me, I would have sold Maart probably even last season. But one thing I've realized with Maart has this good thing with management. I don't want to lie, management and Chiefs don't want nothing with Maart, bro. Like, management loves. If you're a Kaizer Chiefs friend, you know. I don't know if he's cool with Jessica or what is he doing. Anyway, story for another day. I don't want to lie, man. Okay, yesterday he performed better, but I feel like he can do better. For me, that's how I feel with Maart. He can do better than what he's doing or what he's providing. Because Maart, when you want him to perform, he doesn't perform. When you expect him not to perform and you have already given up on him, he performs. So I'm slightly little confused there, because I know management loves Maart. But anyway, I would sell him, man, just to be honest. Tell me, how do you feel about Maart? Would you sell him or would you keep him? Because I feel like he's an on and off player. But to be honest, I would sell him. Yeah, man, I know management is gonna kill me for this one. Let's go to the next one. Dav. When they say, how should I put this? Dav, I feel like Chiefs is not for him, bro. He should literally go to a lower club, and literally gain his confidence, like his style of play, Dav literally is a good player, but I feel like there's some players that cannot adapt to that strength of, like, this is Chiefs, I'm playing for Chiefs, all eyes on me, the pressure is going to be big, so I feel like he doesn't understand that and cannot, like, literally click to that. So I would sell him. I would not even load him out, I would sell him. And the next one, George Matlou. I don't want to lie, I love George Matlou. For days. But now here's the thing about George Matlou for me, bro. Injuries, bro. I don't know if it's the style of play that he plays or what, but he's always getting injuries, bro. So if he could stick on playing, being fit and avoid injuries, he would stay. And I feel like that's what's going to destroy his career at Kaizer Chiefs, the injuries. But I would keep him. He's a good player. He's still young. He's good for the future. Then, last but not least, Edison Castillo. Oh my God, I or say anything or give in to the buyer. I keep even extend the contract to 5 years. Our boys, I see him and Matlou, they're good. I love them so much. But now Matlou is the injuries. Castillo is those players you need to even buy him a bodyguard and, like, keep this guy. But anyway, those are my players that I might sell or keep for Kaizer Chiefs. Please let me know, how do you feel about that, and which player would you keep or sell on the Kaizer Chiefs team. From me, Katlego Sparkles, I'll see you guys later. I'm out. Peace.